Let's have a look at one more example now of the application of the logarithm laws. And so let's read through the question together. So given log of base 3 of 7 is approximately equal to 1.771 and log of base 3 of 5 is approximately equal to 1.465, evaluate the following expressions. So have a look at the first one now, part I. Log 3 of 49. Okay, so what would be the approximate value of that? First thing to notice, 49 is 7 squared. Okay, so we need to use the information in the question, these two definitions, to help us answer each of these. Okay, so that's really just equal to log base 3 of 7 squared. Okay, which is just 2 log base 3 of 7, log base 3 of 7. Okay, so 1.771, multiply that by 2, and we get 3.542. Okay, what about this one? Log base 3 of 35. Okay, we can see that 35 is 7 multiplied by 5. Okay, so that's just log base 3 of 7 times 5. Okay, log law number 1. Okay, so that's log base 3 of 7 plus log base 3 of 5. And so that's 1.771 plus 1.465, okay, which is 3.236. What about log base 3 of 175? Okay, first thing to note, 175 divisible by 5, so we have a 5 there. So we might want to experiment here and see what the relationship is. We've got 35, so 175, if I divide that by 5, you get 35. That means there's another factor of 5 that could be divided as well. So that's actually 7 times 5 times 5, isn't it? 7 times 25. So that's going to be log base 3 of 7 times 5 times 5. Okay, 7 times 5 times 5 will give you 175. So that's just going to be 1.771 plus 2 times 1.465. Okay, so 1.771 plus 2 lots of 1.465, and we get 4.701. Log base 3 of 1.4. Okay, 1.4, that's 14 on 10. Log base 3. Okay, and that's just log base 3 of 7 on 5. Okay, log law number 2, it's going to be 1.771 minus 1.465. Okay, so log base 3 of 7 minus log base 3 of 5. And using our definitions, 1.771 minus 1.465, and we get 0.306. Part 5, log base 3 of 0.04. Okay, so that's log base 3 of 4 on 100, okay, which is equal to log base 3 1 on 25, okay, which is log base 3 of 5 to the negative 2, which is equal to negative 2 log base 3 of 5, and log base 3 of 5 is 1.465, so that's going to be negative 2 times 1.465, and that's going to be negative 2.93. Okay, last one, log base 3 of 5 on 49. Well, 49 sort of related to part I there. In fact, we could just use log law number 2. Okay, so that's log base 3 of 5 minus, in fact we could use what we've done in part I to help us here, minus 2 log base 3 of 7. Okay, so that's going to be 1.465 minus 2 times 1.771, and that's going to give us negative 2.077.